Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and studying regularly and follow my online classes. Okay, today is chapter 14, lecture 1. Okay, chapter 14 is biotechnology. Okay, lecture 1, class 10, English version. Okay, one creative question here. This is the figure of one process and this is the figure of another process. Okay, you think about two figures. First one, question nung A, what is biotechnology? Question nung B, mention the dissimilarities between traditional reproduction and gene reproduction. Okay. C, draw level diagram of the process of N process, okay, in the stem. Number D, analyze the success of M and N process in agriculture. Okay, this question is Rajshahi Board 2019. First one, so we discuss this question. First one, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology, the technology by which any new organism with new characters is developed or processed or byproduct, okay, substance is produced from a cell or part of any other organism is called biotechnology. Okay, so biotechnology by which any new organism with new characteristics is developed or processed or ki or byproduct, okay, or byproduct substance is produced from a cell or a part or any other organism, okay, is called biotechnology. Then mention the dissimilarities between traditional reproduction and gene reproduction. Okay, traditional reproduction and gene reproduction. First one, we discuss traditional reproduction. Traditional reproduction, in traditional reproduction, transfer of gene is similar or limited to the nearest species. Okay, and it requires long time to achieve the desired result. Okay, desired result, long time required, and unexpected genes may be transferred with the desired gene, and the successful transfer of the desired gene remains uncertain. Okay, then gene reproduction is possible to transfer directly one or more gene, okay, directly one or more gene to nearer of distant species, one gene or more gene, okay, distant species. And gene reproduction, it is possible to achieve the desired result in a very short period of time. Possible to achieve the desired result in a very short period of time, okay, short time. And other is, there is no possibility of transferring unexpected genes, and the transfer of the desired gene is certain. Okay, no possibility transferring unexpected gene and the transfer of the desired gene is certain. Then nong C, draw level diagram of the phases of N process in the stem. Okay, here you saw that here N process is biotechnology, okay, genetic engineering. देखो, here N process of the stem is recombinant DNA technology. Okay, level diagram of the phases of recombinant DNA technology is given below. Here we write the figure. Here one bacteria name E. coli. Okay, this is a bacteria name E. coli. E. coli full meaning is Escherichia coli. Here round shape structure that is known as plasmid. This is plasmid. Okay, here another cell of plant, nucleus, nucleolus, and chromosome. Okay, E. coli, and this is plant cell or animal cell, you guess. And here a small pieces of DNA. Okay, this is known as desired gene. Okay, desired gene, SIRED. This is known as desired gene, and this is plasmid. Here cutting of DNA with restriction enzyme. Okay, here restriction enzyme, cutting of plasmid and DNA. Here plasmid cutting, plasmid, this is plasmid and this is desired gene, this is DNA. Okay, also here cutting for the help of restriction enzyme. Then your desired gene come to the plasmid, here. Okay, here come to the plasmid, but they are not fused together. Okay, then development of recombinant DNA, adhesion of both DNA with DNA ligase. Okay, here recombinant DNA produce and they look like that. Okay, this is desired gene and this is known as recombinant DNA plasmid. This is recombinant DNA plasmid. Okay, this is recombinant DNA plasmid. Development of recombinant DNA, adhesion of both DNA with DNA ligase enzyme. Okay, ligase enzyme. Here this is desired gene. Okay, then this recombinant DNA plasmid put into E. coli. Okay, and E. coli, then instruction of recombinant DNA plasmid in bacteria through transformation. Okay, this is the process of transformation. So this is, and last one, cloning of bacteria. Here cloning of bacteria, and here you saw some bacteria are produced. Here some bacteria, and these bacteria, cloning of bacteria, and every bacteria contain the recombinant DNA plasmid. Okay, every bacteria contain the recombinant DNA plasmid. Okay, here the recombinant DNA plasmid, every bacteria, recombinant DNA technology. Okay, this figure is known that recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. Okay, here produce some different bacteria, but this process will be help of E. coli. Okay, recombinant DNA technology. Okay, so first one, E. coli and animal cell or plant cell, and from the animal cell or plant cell you cutting a piece of DNA. This is known as desired gene. Okay, this desired gene here sticky structure. Okay, here this portion and this portion is very much sticky, and then development of recombinant DNA here. Okay, adhesion of both DNA with DNA ligase, and cutting from restriction enzyme. Okay, cutting of DNA with restriction enzyme and uh, insecretion of recombinant DNA plasmid in bacteria through transformation. So the process of transformation, then cloning of bacteria, and here produce. At least you saw 4 bacteria. Okay, and this name of the figure is recombinant DNA technology. This question is very important for you. And draw the figure. Draw level diagram of phases of end process in the stem. Here also called description. So you will write that. Number D. Analyze the success of M and N process in agriculture. Okay, analyze the success. M and N process. M process of the stem is tissue culture. Here this is tissue culture. Okay, and N process is recombinant DNA technology. Both are biotechnology. Okay. First one, success of tissue culture technology in agriculture. In Bangladesh, much more success have been made through tissue culture, such as it has become possible to produce the plantlets of different orchids. Okay, different orchids grown in the country and in other countries. Disease resistance and high yielding plantlets of banana, wood apple, jackfruit have been produced. Okay, grand chrysanthemum, gladiolus, lily, garden carnation, etc. flower producing plantlets also have been produced. Okay, and tissue culture technology is well aggregated for the production and conservation of the species about to be extinct. Okay, and tissue culture technology is being used for the development of the plants of new characters. Okay, then go to success of recombinant DNA technology in agriculture. Okay, harmful insect resistant varieties of crops have been developed, such as BT corn, BT cotton, BT rice. Okay, you know what is BT corn, BT cotton, BT rice. These fruits are resistant to the harmful insects under Lepidoptera. Okay, Lepidoptera and Coleoptera order. Using this technology, virus resistant varieties of crop have been developed. For instance, by transferring gene like that tomato mosaic virus, tobacco mosaic virus, tobacco mild green mosaic virus, resistant varieties of crop have been developed. The research have been carried out for the development of lead blight resistance. Okay, variety of potato by transferring the blight fungus resistant gene. Okay, varieties of corn and cotton tolerant to herbicide have been produced by genetic modification. Through this process, more than one trait can be inserted in the same plant. Nowadays, with no trouble, this type of transgenic plants is commercially available. For instance, side by side, both herbicide tolerant and insect resistant characteristics have been inserted in corn and cotton. Through genetic change, nutrition value of some crops have been improved. For example, vitamin that means beta carotene gene has been transferred into rice. Okay, this is beta carotene. Beta carotene gene has been transferred into rice. Okay. So this question is Rajshahi Board 19. Then some 1 and 2 question. First question, what is autosome? What is autosome? The chromosomes which play roles. What is autosome? 1 number. The chromosome which play roles in physiological embryonic development and the formation of the body of organism which have no part in determining sex are called autosome. The number of autosome in human body is 22 pairs. Okay. Then what is explained? What is explained? The part of a plant separated with the view of using it is Okay, in tissue culture, using it in tissue culture is called explant. This is also one number. Then which organisms are called GMO? Explain. GMO full meaning is genetically modified organism, and GMO is organisms. Okay. With genetic engineering, the transfer of the desired part of DNA from bacteria to human being, from plant to animal, and from animal to plant have become possible. Okay, the organism with the new characters is called GMO. Okay, this question is very important. Genetically modified organisms. Okay, this is the number of 2. Then explain the importance of tissue culture. Okay, importance of tissue culture. Number 1, from the plant part in a short period of time. Okay, easily disease free and especially free from viruses, plantlets can be produced. It can be free from the limitation of producing plantlets in the specific season. It is being used for the development of the plants of new characters. Meristem culture is another special site of tissue culture. Plantlets produced by this process are free from viral diseases. Okay, viral diseases. What is dominant character? Dominant character, the character which is expressed in the first generation from the parent. Okay, it is called dominant character. Which is expressed and which is unexpressed, it is called recessive character. Survival of the fittest. Explain. Number 2. Okay, survival. Every animal in struggling with its adverse environment, the characters, nature, and the trends in organism and in their offspring are the diversity expressing favor and make the organism to cope up with the environment. Conversely, the organism with adverse diversity in the struggling with the passage of time ultimately the are destroyed. Darwin mentioned that this type of adaptation is the first solution of in the struggle against the nature. In the nature, many plants and elements attain some abilities being well adapted. Okay, they are suitable in the struggling against the nature. In descent, many plants adapt with some stickling techniques to store water, some sticking technique to store water. Okay. Then the question is, what is locus? The location of a gene throughout a chromosome is called locus. Last one, what is the cause of bacteria's involvement into kingdom Monera? Okay, the characterization of kingdom Monera are they are mostly unicellular, filamentous or colonial. They are microscopic, prokaryotic. There is no nuclear membrane and nucleolus in their cells. No plastid, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum are there in their cells, but ribosome is present in them. Cell divides through the process of binary fission. Their chief mode of nutrition is absorption. Okay, this is known as absorption. Bacteria process all these characteristics. That's why bacteria are included into kingdom Monera. Okay, these are the importance for that's why kingdom in Monera. So these are the some important question, and Rajshahi board 19 also important question for you. And what is the causes of bacteria kingdom Monera, this is also important question. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Your Kamrun Nahar madam.